Money traders, in front of you, critical key retail Alpha Fibonacci chart that's showing you the move this morning is up. This is the most important part of your trading. This is why Alpha Fibonacci system traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Intelligent trader also knows far in advance this will be war zone. This is a critical key retail brick wall. So if you understand how important this event is, and you're trading Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8, all of the power of your work is done. You are not speculating, you are not gambling with your money. You understand extremely well. This is very important place that identifies bullish weakness, not bullish power. That's it. So if you understand how important this trading range is, this is all that there is. Nothing else. Software showed this to you with a single glimpse. Simplicity remains the power. Do not clog up your brain with junk indicators. You're using your limitless strategic intelligent brain. Nasdaq is a front runner. Nasdaq reached institutional brick wall. Chart present in the trading room for months and years. This is multi-billion-dollar train that you ride with power, that reached institutional reversal zone. This is historical level. The events at this level will define markets for months and years to come. So when you understand the importance of this, you are preparing extremely well. You understand it's entirely different market at institutional reversal zone versus buying the bottom with institutions, which Alpha Fibonacci system allows you to do. Not just in day trading, but in long-term positions. S&P and Nasdaq charts are twins, testing institutional reversal zone. To the downside, this is critical key event. Crucial key day. And the best part, you know this far in advance. This is software for NinjaTrader 8 that's spelled out instantly. Bold green zone, not the place to short. Correct? Bold green zone, you monitor for long. Flawless multiple longs played out prior to the market open. We'd love to see identical power. Institutions remain long as of this morning. This is key chart on Apple. Apple selling off as it came to reversal zone. With the power of the system, you're buying Apple at the bottom, you're not buying Apple at the top. This is critical key level to the downside on Apple. This level is out, Apple in free fall. Gold. Have you heard that gold is spectacular investment during inflation? So how is it possible that gold catastrophic collapse played out at 2100 level? And continue playing out time and time again. This level is lifeline on gold. This level is out, gold in free fall. That's it. What do this chart showing you? Identical event, identical reversal zone, absolutely no software on this chart, as on S&P. Do you remember this? This is software to day trade future, but it's never a requirement. You decide to trade system long term, as I review in classes long-term charts. Of course you can. You can trade Nasdaq, you can trade gold, you can trade stocks, you can trade anything you choose. So everyone can exhale, institutions defending this level. There is no crash. Price skyrocketing, rules are met, take a trade. That's simple, that pure. And you knew this far in advance. System allows you to buy the bottom, not just on S&P, but on Euro. Of course you can. So how viciously Euro skyrocketed from the ultimate low. And how our students taking advantage of this is a gift. You decide what you want to trade. You decide what instrument and time frame appropriate for you. how euro skyrocketed from 95 cents to 111, identified months in advance. This is the reason Goldman making me an offer, not because of software for Ninja Trader 8. This is the reason my phone ringing off the hook for years. When you know far in advance where to buy, where to sell, independent of news. I have no idea what's playing out on Apple in China. The only thing I know for sure, with the power of the system, you're not buying Apple here. And you know this many months in advance. And you know where to buy S&P. You are not a gambler. You understood it's a critical key, institutional and retail buy point. Far in advance. It's all the same. This is brick wall to the upside. If S&P will fail to break through this level, market will continue dancing in this extremely limited trading range. There is nothing else. You cannot speculate, you cannot gamble with your money. Day trading not for you. Use system long term on any instrument you choose. Price is price on every single instrument. It's identical. Risk management is a difference. Trade hold time is a difference. Is the only difference. So this is where S&P skyrocketed from on institutional chart. This was entirely different trading day, October 30th. But charts are twins with euro. Entirely different instrument, identical charts. When you can trade one, you can trade them all with the Alpha Fibonacci system. Identical chart on Amazon. Amazon drastically more bullish, but with the power of the system, you can buy the bottom. I have no idea what will play out in factories on Amazon, but I know 167 zone will be war zone. I also know many months in advance after this level to follow. And after this, expect a crash on Amazon. That pure and that simple. Months in advance. So again, traders, what do you see on S&P right now? You're seeing the price getting away from the green zone, but again, intelligent trader sees and knows clearly. Price in catastrophic pain. Stock in junky, bullish and bearish pullbacks, correct? So if market continue pulling back to the downside, intelligent trader very well prepared, understanding it's a very limited trading range. So when you work with Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8, this is how signal would display. So when you come to the website, you will see how student made movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute. And when you listen to student podcasts, you understand, I look forward doing podcasts with you. This March, I'm doing annual trading bootcamp, where in a single week, you learn so much more than in years. We're actually down to 11 spaces. Graduates of the course coming back to the bootcamp to master trading skills. So if you're fortunate enough to sign up for any of the packages below, it will include the bootcamp. Private mentoring group course includes bootcamp. For the graduates of the course, it's a minimal fee. March 14th through 22nd will change your trading forever. So please review and understand what's included. Lifetime system for all platforms, software for Ninja 8, 3 months group classes of 4 months private mentoring include bootcamp for new students. You will see how your financial power and your mindset will make your money work for you without overworking and stressing out. You see how you could have worked 15 minutes in the last 3 years, making hundreds and thousands of points. You will see how to trade with institutions on future stocks, options, ETFs, Bitcoin and Forex. In the Bootcamp, hedge fund traders, financial advisors, and retail traders, we will address micro and macro charts. You will learn how to trade with ultimate precision using proprietary Alpha Fibonacci strategies for day and position trading on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. What else is critical and important to understand? You will stop gambling, stop losing money if you're using the system, and you will start trading strategically and consistently using the system if you trade on all platforms or with day trading software for NinjaTrader 8. If you cannot attend, view the recordings. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. So when bias reverse with vengeance from Alpha Fibonacci bold green zone, intelligent trader absolutely expected this, knowing far in advance. This is institutional buy point. And when the green alert occurs, intelligent trader takes advantage of that, knowing quite well. Institutions defending this level with vengeance again and again this morning. Everyone can exhale. That's it. But if price continue being stuck in weakness again and again and again, this level never to be ignored. Projecting software on any chart I choose. Trades play out on multiple other charts. Key moment. Bold pink line again and again and again. It's weakness. It's not the power. This is key level to the upside now. This level is out. It confirms institutions buying the market with vengeance, with power. After all, we are at the bold green zone that was defended with vengeance. In the course you learn clearly that success will never come from number of trades. Success will come from quality. Add the lot size. You start with a single lot. By the end of the year you're trading 10. You're adding lot size every month when you remain consistently profitable. And the bold pink line remains a problem. You're scaling out accordingly to Alpha Fibonacci system. Single and double lot completely out. More than 3 lots taking profits off the table and moving stop outside of break even. You remain firm. You chose long at institutional buy point. So you're witnessing the importance of the bold pink line, and the bold pink line changes forever. Bold pink line depends on market volatility. This is software for NinjaTrader 8. This is euro currently, identical level. Absolutely no software on this chart. System traded globally on all instruments, all time frames. No software required. Euro in free fall. This level to the downside, lifeline on euro. 104 is out, 107, 1007 is next. Euro stuck in weakness. So is S&P. Identical level. Very different risk management. Traders all over the world trading S&P, trading euro, trading crypto, trading pound, trading stocks, commodities I've never heard of. Students in Saudi Arabia, students in London, Monte Carlo, student in Florida, New Jersey. Every trader different instrument, every trader different account, every trader different background. This level is out, market skyrockets with power. Until next. This will be war zone. And you know this far in advance. Institutions buy market with vengeance. Weakness is out. Correct? Strategic intelligence system I developed in 2008, playing out in front of you to the tick. 37 systems later, my vision becomes better and better every single day. And you take advantage of that in the live classes. And you're taking advantage of that in Bootcamp. That's it. Flawless precision during brutal markets. Confirmed. Institutions buying the market with vengeance. So I hope you enjoyed this morning very powerful lesson. You buy when institutions buy. You understand bearish weakness and you understand the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, which identifies institutional buy-sell points, hours, days, weeks, months, even years in advance. You decide the instrument and time frame you want to trade. In the bootcamp, we will be diving into all of this from micro to macro charts. Critical key event in front of you right now. It's a reversal zone, it's RZ, as the word states, with Alpha Fibonacci system and software for Ninja Trader 8, with precise entry, stop and target. After this, intelligent trader done for the day. You take the quality trade, you add the lot size, you riding institutional power. You never, ever, ever trade against institutions. It's that pure and that simple. I look forward to seeing you in Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Sooner you start, much more prepared you will be for the bootcamp. And in the bootcamp, you will polish your trading skills every single moment in the live markets.